Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish. Today I'm going to help my friend Jay pick up a riding jacket, and I'll take him to one or two places and show him different jackets, and hope he gets what he wants. And I'll see you guys on the other side. Guys, check out that cool t-shirt. So Jay owns a Ducati Scrambler. That's the green one you can see in most of my videos. So we're going out now with Jay. He wanted to buy some riding gears. So what we're doing is we're trying to pick up something which is on lines of Alpinestars or a Furigen, or probably we would look at Revit as well, and not to forget Dainese. So Jay, what do you have in mind? What do you want to pick up? What jacket do you have, or what is your requirement when it comes to jacket?
I think the first thing is the right fit. I don't give a hang about the brand actually.
Okay.
Definitely the quality has to be good, but it has to be the right fit, because the reason I'm exchanging my current jacket is while I'm riding at about 140s, averaging 140s, it doesn't give the confidence with the wind blast. So the shoulder pads actually kept moving all around. So that absolutely not comfortable with me. So something that fits really well, something that gives me confidence while riding is what I'm looking at.
Okay, so what I have in mind is I'll probably take you to two or three different stores, show you different kind of jackets, which may or may not fit right, but let's check out. First priority, I would put on something like a A-Star or a Furigen or Revit, and also Dainese. May not happen today on a Dainese thing because we'll have to totally deviate from our the regular route that we have to do. We've reached 6K IOM, and let's check out what kind of jackets we can get. Jay, are you excited?
Absolutely, man.
In 6K you have Furigen, so that's Furigen versions, and then you have Rhinox, and then you have Lidor. I use a Lidor personally for myself. I just kind of love the jacket. It's brilliant. So I use this one. This is one of their top of the line versions that they have. You have in two colors, one green and the other one is the black and grey. Jay is not too sure on what jacket he wants. He wants something which is tight fit, and at the same time he's confident on his gears. We are trying the RS Taichi. So we've got only one version here. So what do you think about this, Jay? Are you comfortable with this jacket? What's your opinion, first opinion on this?
Comfy is okay.
Okay.
Rate 4 out of 10 based on what I feel right now.
Okay.
I mean, looks perfect. Does the job. I didn't like the aesthetics too much. And I'm paying so much, might as well have something which is...
Okay, so they're saying this is priced around 13K. So we're looking at some more options. So we're trying to get a Furigen now. So we've not found the size, so they'll get the Furigen and we'll try on Furigen. So we're trying the Furigen now. So Jay is trying to get the Furigen, and the size is medium.
No guards in the front?
Chest guards. No, you can get one.
ग्रीन येलो रेड तीन में भी है। नीतू मैडम को पूछा अभी, ये बोला तीन चाहिए थे।
So what's your opinion about this one, Jay?
Let me be picky. No chest numbers.
Okay.
Yeah.
But
the fit in the feel is really excellent.
okay. And two jackets, which is Furigen and also Taichi, RS Taichi. But Jai is not too sure what he wants to go for. But then we'll try a couple of more stores. Next place to buy the jacket or probably try the jacket is Biking Spirits, and I know Rishabh personally, so I thought let me get Jai to Biking Spirit and see what offerings he has in jackets, and let's pick up something. Trying out some Revit jackets, and there's Jay trying his second jacket. This is a touring one. What would you call this model?
This is the Sand 3.
Sand 3.
Sand 3 from Revit.
Okay, so he's trying the Sand 3, which is a touring jacket. Hopefully, Jay finally finds one jacket which he feels is comfortable. And it's been a while that we're trying to get a jacket sorted for Jay, and he's just not happy with any of them.
In Revzilla, they actually call this bomb proof.
So now we're trying out a brand called Held.
Now I'm about 7.5. Nobody can be 10, but yeah.
See you guys, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video. Till then,
Peace.
keep rolling.
Ride safe, drive safe.